pink color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, red color, pink color, ब्लू कलर। इन कलर के साथ हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखेंगे A to Z तक। E for airplane, B for butter, C for car, D for duck, E for egg, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,